everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing BBBY, AMC, APE, AVYA, APRN, PRTY, HUSA, NINE, INDO, Vdrm, DPLS, HVCW, GXXY, and GEGI. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. First up, subscribers got our alert today on our #1 biotech penny stock for the week. The stock ended slightly down. We really like this one. For further updates, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up in any of the pop-ups. Also, if you notice, last week I did 5 videos. I am going to be doing a video every day after the close, so that's 5 videos a week. If I lost my ass, if I hate the markets, you're gonna listen to me rant. Click that subscribe button. Make sure you get all of our videos. Also hit the like button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Really appreciate it. We're just trying to get as much coverage out there to help as many people as possible. Again, we're not financial advisors. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. But first up today, we're going to be talking about Bed Bath & Beyond. Ended down 16%. I said over the weekend I had no clue where it was heading next, whether it was $5 or $15. I still rate Bed Bath & Beyond a hold, or if you have no position, which I am in that category, I have no position and I do not see a position here at this moment in Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm going to let the dust settle and then I will reevaluate and I will update here on this channel and also update subscribers, so click that link in the description. Next up is AMC and APE. I like APE above $7. I think if we get above 7 tomorrow, we're going to get a nice move. So APE is, I think, a great swing trade this week. I think we will end higher this week in APE. But our #1 short squeeze play is AVYA. For a number of reasons. First up, there is a $2 gap here that needs to close right under $2. So between 1 and 2, we got that gap to close. Why do we think that gap is going to close? First up, 17% of the float is short, 17.7% of the float is short, and now we have an activist investor involved. Theodore King, he sent this letter to the company today disclosing that he owns 15.4% of the company, which is 3.2 million shares. What's notable, as I said earlier, 17% of the float is short, or 14.98 million shares are short. So this is going to be a classic short squeeze. You have an activist investor who has basically bought up the float. He's bought up the exact percentage that the shorts have shorted. And we think this one is gearing up for a major short squeeze. AVYA, this is our #1 short squeeze play for the week. Get this on your radar screen. Next up is APRN. This is another major short squeeze. 43% of the float is short. But there's major resistance. You got two trend lines here at $7. We really need to see a sustained move above $7 for this one to really keep going. So we are just watching this one, APRN. Next up, guys, is PRTY. This is another one that is running right into resistance here, just above its close at 217. You saw the price action today. It got as high as 267, but it couldn't hold the gains. We even, red candle here on the day. After hours, 221 by 223, nothing too exciting. But you also got the 200-day moving average here at 357. Again, we think there's better plays out there right now than PRTY and APRN, but we have them on our watch list. Next up, three oil and gas penny stocks that have really big short positions. HUSA, 9.32% of the float is short. NINE, 13.37% of the float is short. And INDO, 13.96% of the float is short. Right after the Russia invaded Ukraine, these went on and did enormous spikes. There's chatter right now that OPEC Plus is talking about tightening. They're worried about a recession and that there could be supply increases with demand falling off. So they are talking about a possible production cut, which is why oil rallied $5 off the lows today. So I will be watching these oil and gas plays for further moves. So again, for further updates, click that link in the description, and we will update you in the mornings between 9 and 9:30. So we are trying to do more updates here, help our subscribers as much as possible. It's all about education here at InsiderFinancial.com. Next up is Vdrm. This is the one everyone's talking about on the OTC, closed up 103%. The thing is, guys, there's absolutely no news. No one knows why it ran. Got this quote here. I just want to know who is pumping it. Been holding this forever at about an 80% loss. CEO seems to be MIA. No communication, no updates, no product for sale. Behind on regulatory filings. Probably somebody pulling a pump and dump scheme on their followers. No idea, guys. But there is no news. So, again, be cautious here on Vdrm. Next up, guys, we have DPLS making a nice move up the charts here. Talked about this one over the weekends. HVCW here near the highs. GXXY, another one making a climb up the charts, and GEGI up here near the highs. We're going to have an article dropping here in the next hour on these four. Also, click that link in the description so that you get all of our updates. You also get the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks. It's a free ebook when you sign up. You can also sign up with your mobile number. This is the fastest way to get our alerts. Works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number for US and Canada's 1+ area code and number. With that being said, like I said, let's have a big week, sort of a slow start to the week, and we're hoping to turn it around this week. And last week was phenomenal, so let's keep the momentum going, guys. And hit that subscribe button for our YouTube channel for all updates, and sign up for all of our alerts. Click the link in the description. All right, guys, let's have a big Tuesday, and I'll be coming to you live after the bell with a new update. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.